嗰個工作安排，所以頭先孫局長亦都講咗咧，我哋係會有個加強版嘅除咗社工之外咧，我哋會有2至3個公務員咧係去特別支援每一個家庭，係每一個家庭有除咗呢個社工咧係有2至3個公務員咧係去提供支援服務。咁另外係麥局長嗰邊咧係做緊呢個構建物資嘅捐贈嗰個網上平台啦。咁亦都咧我哋同呢個食物環境衛生署咧同埋呢個衛生署咧嘅同事咧已經係亦都係，因為譬如我哋話提供一啲嘅殮葬方面嘅支援，咁係點做咧？咁其實裡面咧係牽涉譬如去認領遺體啦，要做一啲相關嗰啲嘅有啲嘅文件要攞到啦。咁同埋就嗰個要安排嗰個火化嗰個服務啦。咁同埋亦都係會提供一啲即政府嗰啲骨灰龕咧，其實龕位咧其實就收費嘅。咁嗰啲我哋呢啲咁嘅服務咧，全部都係免費嘅。咁但係咧，我哋係亦都係即係好仔細咁分好咗喺譬如話去做認領遺體係由邊個部門去主要負責。咁認領遺體之後跟住咧係要做啲殯葬方面嗰啲咧，咁就又由主要食環署去負責啦。咁同埋我哋其實琴日咧，亦都有公佈到咧，係會政府咧係會承擔嗰個殯葬嘅費用。咁我哋咧係每一個家庭咧我哋咧係會提供呢個5萬蚊嘅呢個嗰個金額咧，係去資助係殯葬方面嗰個開支嘅。大概我個工作係咁樣。
係關於調查進度啦，咁頭先亦都係講咗少少㗎啦。我哋呢個搜索嘅過程咧，我哋預計係要3至4個禮拜嘅。咁我哋今日嘅進度咧，由於嗰2棟大廈咧係較為遲起火啦，亦都係早熄火咧，咁係相對係簡單啲嘅。咁所以我哋用咗大半日嘅時間咧，就已經係完成咗呢2棟大廈嘅搜查嘅工作㗎啦。咁我哋希望咧能夠咧大大咁樣咧縮短我哋呢個預計3至4個禮拜嘅時間啦。但係喺而家為止咧，因為比較早起火嘅宏昌樓啦、宏泰樓啦，我哋都係未搜索嘅，所以咧暫時嚟講咧，我哋都係比較保守啲，都係大約3至4個禮拜可以完成我哋嘅搜查工作。唔該晒。
想問一問咧，維港嗰度咧，警方話符合安全標準嗰啲嘅證據提供出嚟。
就住呢個圍網嗰度咧，琴日係局長咧講咗係呢一個合規嘅。咁咧，我哋警方咧亦都係會喺呢方面作出調查啦。咁我哋而家咧係冇特別嘅補充嘅。唔該晒。
And the second thing is, could you also talk about the difficulty in identifying the bodies so far? What are the major issues that are facing the identification of bodies, and how long will this process take to address this? And just lastly, we'd like to ask about the subsidy abuse, and has the government witnessed any cases of the subsidies given to residents being abused? Could Ms. McNeil clarify exactly, does the subsidy only apply to homeowners, or does it apply to homeowners who live here, or does it apply to tenants? Just have a more specific clarity on that. And just lastly, if there is a case of abuse, what will the government do? Will they prosecute the homeowners, for example, who can look at the subsidy for tenants? What is the situation like?
Okay. Regarding the number of casualties, so as of 3 p.m. today, we got 128 deceased persons confirmed case. We expected that when our DBIU officers entered other buildings, the number of death toll may be on the rise. Regarding the missing person report, as I have reported earlier, we have tried our best to call back some of the identified persons and also their relatives. And when we call back some of the informants, they actually have been in contact with their relatives or missing friends already. But for some of the cases, the informants only provided very limited or insufficient information. For example, they can just provide a nickname, or they just guess maybe their friend
may be living there. So some of this information is really insufficient for us to proceed, but we are still reconnecting with this informant and try to get more information. Yeah, that is for me.
The Hong Kong SAR government understands how the feelings of those residents concerned. They will be feeling helpless. They will be feeling insecure. So they need timely support. And that's why we provide a 10,000 cash subsidies. We hope that with these cash subsidies, our households living in Wan Fuk court can get some tiny assistance. That's why, so for those, this subsidy is for those affected residents, households living in the court during the mega fire. So no matter he's a tenant or an owner, whoever living in the court during this incident, they're eligible for this cash subsidies. And so far we haven't got a formal report about any abuse cases, but if there are any, we will definitely look into the cases. But you know, what we are going to do is we provide timely and flexible subsidies and assistance to those in need. And so I also urge all those residents living in Wan Fuk court to approach us as soon as possible to get assistance and help from us. Thank you.
想問一問點解講首啲義工隊嘅係點解要關愛隊上嚟？
呢個呢，我真係好想請大家啦可以明白。首先呢，喺呢啲事故發生嘅時候呢，民政處係有一個責任啦，為我哋受影響嘅居民啦提供一個即時嘅一個地方啦嚟到去休息。所以我哋啦喺各區啦，當有事故發生嘅時候，我哋一定會馬上咧開一啲庇護中心嘅。而喺庇護中心裏邊嘅使用者啦，佢哋都係一啲喺今次裏邊就係一啲係受呢個火災影響嘅居民。佢哋已經受咗咁大嘅衝擊，屋企有咁大嘅即係轉變。我哋一定啦，我哋作為民政處啦，我哋都有責任啦，係保護佢哋嘅安全啦，保護佢哋嘅私隱啦，亦都要確保咧喺每一個庇護中心裏邊嘅秩序啦、安全啦，同埋咧嗰個衞生嘅。正如我尋日都講過，其實我哋喺一啲庇護中心裏邊咧，已經有一啲零星嘅個案啦，有啲使用者咧，佢哋係身體唔舒服啦，我哋都係安排咗佢去睇醫生嘅咁樣。咁所以咧，我哋係有呢個責任啦，要確保咧，我哋呢個庇護中心咧係要有一個秩序嚟到保護我哋每一個喺中心裏邊嘅使用者嘅。咁我亦都咧好多謝社會各界咧喺呢段時間，大家都希望出一分力去幫到每一個嘅住戶同埋我哋嘅受影響嘅居民。咁所以咧我哋都咧係知道大家咧會不斷可能係送一啲物資啦。正如頭先司長亦都講咗，因為我哋而家面對啦，我哋有好多嘅物資送到過嚟啦。但係其實咧，我哋而家可能最需要嘅就係要幫我哋呢啲使用者咧，去點樣安置翻佢哋去到酒店啦，或者咧去我哋嘅青年宿舍，俾一個適當嘅地方等佢哋咧好好休息。咁所以咧，我哋為咗要可以確保我哋可以令到我哋嘅使用者、我哋嘅受影響居民啦，佢哋可以得到一個好嘅休息啦。我哋咧就係會安排呢啲嘅住宿俾佢，臨時嘅住宿俾佢哋啦。咁而且呢啲嘅費用啦，我哋係全部咧係唔會收嘅，無論係交通嘅費用或者個住宿費用。另外咧就係喺呢個我哋嘅庇護中心裏邊咧，我哋咧係好希望咧大家咧都係可以尊重翻我哋嗰啲使用者嗰個安全同埋私隱。不過咧喺網上咧都有好多流傳，甚至一啲謠言呢，就係話我哋嘅中心，我哋嘅本來我哋協助嘅民政處嘅同事啊，或者我哋嘅關愛隊咧，係可能咧就對於有其他使用者咧係有唔禮貌啦。不過我哋去查過，正如我今朝已經喺另外一個場合度講啦，我哋係冇人報警，冇人報過警，警方亦都證實咗佢哋冇收到呢啲任何嘅報案記錄。咁啊，希望大家咧唔好輕信喺呢個時候咧， 大家其實應該要團結一齊，就去幫我哋嗰啲受影響嘅居民。咁但係啦，我哋都希望咧，大家即係我哋明白大家咧係想即係有個心意啦，去幫到佢哋。所以點解咧，我哋都係盡快構建緊一個網上嘅平台啦。仲有咧就係、如果大家係即係喺個網上平台使用之前咧，大家可以 WhatsApp 俾我哋92132388 92132388，等我哋咧係可以咧即係可以有序咁樣啦，去安排呢啲物資啦，去俾我哋嗰啲市民嘅。我都真係再想講句，希望大家係明白喺今次受呢個事故影響嘅市民啦，其實佢哋而家都係受住好大嘅壓力。希望大家都可以咧，我哋令到我哋咧可以盡快啦去幫到佢哋，等佢哋咧可以去到酒店啦，或者係青年宿舍嗰度先係休息咗，因為佢哋之後咧，佢哋仲有好多事咧，佢哋係要面對。當然政府係一定會提供一切所適切嘅支持，而喺呢一度咧，我係要再次多謝社會各界同我哋一齊咧去努力去幫助我哋所有嘅市民嘅。
咁記者們一陣完咗咧，執好嘢就喺呢個方向走啦，唔該。我會帶你哋去嘅，唔該。